Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to move fast in Call of Duty Mobile on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. On your screen, you will see the joystick on the left. To move fast, push it all the way forward and you will start running. For extra speed, tap the sprint button near the joystick. Next, makes your character run at full speed. To make it easier, go to the settings, then basic, and then tap on sprinting. Turn on always sprint or auto sprint. Now every time you push the joystick forward, your character will automatically run faster without you pressing extra buttons. While running, tap the cross button. Your character will slide forward, which is faster and makes you harder to hit. You can change running and sliding to cover ground quickly. In your loadout, add the lightweight perk. It increases your running speed by 10%. This makes a big difference in both battle royale and multiplayer. Try combining sprinting, sliding, and jumping while running. This makes your movement unpredictable and much faster in fights. And that's it. By using sprint, auto sprint, sliding, perks, and light weapons, you will move a lot faster in Call of Duty Mobile on phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.